Hello everybody, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Within a few months from now, you all will be joining college and I'm pretty sure packing is round the corner. You all might be wondering all the things that you need to take and need to leave behind while packing for college. While I was packing for college, I remember I had packed about 20 kgs of extra luggage and I had to pay a bomb of a money to the airlines to travel to carry that thing. So I don't want you to make this mistake again. Hence, in this video, I will tell you guys all the things that you need, however, need not carry to college. All these things either you can buy from the place you're moving in or you can even order online. In this video, I will also be putting down a few very important links in the description below, so make sure you check them out. So let's get started.
Double cup, big straight, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his mouth.
The first thing that you need, however, need not carry to college are your toiletries. All the things such as your toothpaste, your shampoos, body lotions, creams, you don't need to carry any of these things. Firstly, because they have a lot of weight, and secondly, they're easily available near your accommodation, near your college, or you can even order them online. A lot of my friends had already pre-ordered their stuff, and when they were moving in to their accommodation, they were receiving regular parcels from Amazon, Flipkart, and all these places. The second thing that you need, however, need not carry to college are your notebooks and stationery. For all those people who are asking me the books that you need to carry to college, so the answer to that is that you need not carry any books to college. The faculty members in your university will guide you through with the material you need to prepare for your courses and your exams. Along with that, if there are a few books that you would need, your faculty members again would help you and the whole class would unanimously order those books. Also, you have a stationery in the college itself, so you can use that to buy all your basic necessities such as your pens, erasers, notebooks, sharpeners and all these things. Lastly, the library at the university is going to be another big resource for all the books that you need to use to prepare for your course exams. Thirdly, kitchen essentials. Even though you would require things such as a plate, forks, spoons, mugs, you need not carry them from home. You can surely buy them online or buy it near to the place of your accommodation. A special mention to a kettle and sandwich maker, which are essentials to survive college. You would need them to boil eggs or make the midnight Maggies. You can either buy them online or you can even pool in with your PG mates or your hostel mates to use it whenever required. Fourthly, your room essentials. Things such as a pillow, bed sheet, bed cover, pillow cover, hangers. All these things are very important, so make sure you buy them online or buy it near to your accommodation. A special mention to iron. I think having a personal iron is very important and should be considered as a part of your survival kit in college. Fifth and the last, decorative items. I know all you guys would want to decorate your rooms with posters, fancy lights and portable shelves, but you need not carry them from home. You can surely buy it online as they're easily available and very cheap. I also want to let you guys know that almost all the accommodations will provide you with these three basic things, which is a cupboard, a mattress and a study table. So that's about it for the things that you need but need not carry to college. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions or queries related to the things that you require in college. I would be more than happy to help. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive regular notifications whenever I upload a new video. Take care, bye bye.